I have 72 of these, and they're roughly about 5 inches. So now I need to cut out 72 5-inch squares to make a lot of half square triangles. And this is the power that I'm not going to use. Oh, my thread came out. I did the 4 at a time half square triangle method. So just cut diagonally from each corner. Cut that way. And then that way. And I'm trimming them down to 3 inches. So on my ruler, that's the 3 inch mark. So I put it on the top stitch line. And then the other side, I make sure that the 3 inch mark is on the other top stitch line. Give me 1 second. And that's what I'm going to trim off. 288 half square triangles. I don't like making quilts that have a lot of half square triangles because I don't like making them because you have to piece them together then trim them. 288 half square triangles. The first unit I made is a pinwheel. The next unit, it looks like a flying geese, and you put these here. These are supposed to be 3 by 5.5, and I made a stack of them, which I cut the wrong measurements. Instead of 5.5, I did 5. So I'll probably take these scraps and add them on and trim them down to 5.5. I changed my mind. I'm gonna use these for the next unit, which I'm gonna need 3 inch squares. So I'm gonna cut my 3 inch squares from these. This is the layout for the third unit. And you will need 4 of these units. 4 of these units. And 1 of the pinwheel unit. I already had to take a couple of stitches out because I placed the half square triangles in the wrong spot. Like this one right here, it's in the wrong spot, but I'm going to leave it because I'm tired of taking stitches out. This one is another block that I messed up on. I just took out the stitches and I pieced it back together and it's still wrong. This part was right here. So when I put it back together, it's right here, but it's supposed to be going this way. I fixed it and it's still wrong. And it's ugly. So I'm gonna look at the back. So I'm going to throw it away and I'm going to have to make some more half square triangles to replace these. Found some more that I pieced wrong. I think all of them it's the middle part that I did wrong. I don't like it. One, I had to take out a lot of the stitches. 2, it was hard to match the seams using the serger. 3, putting on the outer border on the serger made it all wavy. And it's hard to see the pattern with this scrappy look. So I feel like I have to redeem myself, so I'm going to make another one. I'm going to use bigger half square triangles and less half square triangles, and maybe just use 4 colors. This huge block is about 48 inches, and now I just need to make 3 more. I need to take this one out because this one is supposed to be yellow. And this unit, I actually made too many of them. So I had to unpick these, about 4 of them also. What is going on? I fixed it and I put it on wrong. I fixed it and I put it on wrong. I am coming close to the end and I'm sewing the big 4 blocks together, and it happened again. These two I sewed together is right. This one is, oh, you know what? That's right. All right, for a moment there, I thought I did it wrong, but it's right. Nope, this part is wrong. It should look like that one. Just a minor fix. This is what it's looking like right now. I hope I'm not going to regret this, but I'm going to add, I think, 20 more of this block. I think I'm gonna go ahead and edit the video and go ahead and upload it to YouTube today, which is Sunday, October 6th. And I'll just do the quilting in a different video.